Hi Maker, Mel here. If you don't know me already, I work here at Makesy. And recently, I got engaged. Needless to say, I was so excited when I found out we were launching an entire section of DIY kits and projects to help us save time and money on our big day. We've got something for literally all the wedding things. Bachelorette party? Check. Bridal shower activities? Check. Bridal prep? Check. Wedding party gifts? Also check. Table decor? Got it. Makesy's wedding shop makes it so easy. From creating a deliciously scented shimmering body spray with my gal pals, to getting those pre-I do lips primped with a DIY sugar scrub. And I can even create my own special wedding scent with our curated luxury wedding fragrances. I make adorable floral arrangements and candles as centerpieces and gifts for my guests that match today's most popular wedding themes, from black tie to boho. It's my one-stop shop for all my activities, gifts, and decor. If I really want to get this party started, I can call up our virtual event host Cindy and have her guide us through whatever project I choose. If some gals can't make it, I can even have a kit shipped to them so they can join in the fun virtually. Here at Makesy, we've taken the stress out of wedding planning so that you can focus on what's most important, having fun. I'm ready to get married! Wait, oh, we're not doing this today? Oh, okay. Well,